Here's the little kiddo. She just got her face washed because she was a little bit scaly. And now she's watching her mobile because it's so cool. She's got her cute little turtle outfit on. And here's her cool mobile. Has a hippo and a frog and a flamingo. And that turtle and ladybug, they move down those zigzaggy things, but it's really loud, so we jammed them. And she's almost ready to start talking. She likes to watch it. Right, baby girl? She's got oil all over her face because she's scaly. Okay, that's all she's going to do for us right now.